Knockout artist na kababayan Edwin Valero. Tinalo ni Servania via TKO. Magandang araw mga pre. Mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa videong ito pag-usapan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayang si Genesis da Sokal Servania kontra sa knockout artist ng bansang Venezuela na 2 beses nag-champion sa Super Flyweight Division. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, masuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. March 1, 2014, sa Soler Resort, Hotel and Casino sa Parañaque ginanap ang labang Servania kontra Alexander Munoz. Kilalang mabigat sumuntok itong si Munoz mga pre, kaya binansagang El Explosivo. 79% ng kanyang mga panalo ay via KO. Hindi din basta-bastang kalaban itong si Munoz mga pre. Nakaharap na niya ang ilan sa mga champion ng kanyang division noon, gaya ni Martin Castillo, Leo Santa Cruz, at Christian Mijares na umabot pa sa split decision pabor kay Mijares.
Look at Mijares, continued effort put out by both fighters. Look at Munoz, he will not quit, he's exhausted. Here comes the final bell of the fight. And there it is, it's all over.
De Gomez, Palacio Durangon, Christian.
Bago ang laban niya kay Servania, ay kagagaling lang ni Munoz sa isang 5th round KO loss kontra kay Leo Santa Cruz. Habang ang ating kababayang undefeated na si Servania ay galing naman sa 2nd round KO na panalo kontra sa tigasin na si Concepcion. At sa kanilang ang laban, bit-bit ng knockout artist na kababayan Edwin Valero ang kartadang 36 wins, 5 losses at 28 dito via knockout. Habang si Servania naman ay dala-dala ang malinis at walang mansang kartada na 23 wins at 9 dito via KO. 5-5 inihap lang si Munoz at 5-6 naman si Servania. At parehong orthodox ang dalawa. Ang laban ay para depinsaan ni Servania sa unang pagkakataon ang kanyang WBO Intercontinental Super Bantamweight title. Maganda naman ang naging laban mga pre at talagang natuwa ang mga nanonood ng live sa nasabing venue. Duguan ang kaliwang kilay ni Servania pero hindi tumalab ang kamao ng knockout artist sa ating pambato para pabagsakin ito.
Oh, good left. Right hand, overhand right. Servania Munoz looks dog-tired. Moving but no longer punching si Munoz. This is for Servania to take. Right hand by Servania. He looks wobbly. He looks hard. I'm surprised that Servania has not accelerated on offense. Not taking advantage, Ronnie.
Ultimate round.
Munoz has looked wobbly. Munoz jabbing again. Right hand by Munoz. Pero big left by Servania. Pero doon pa lang, pwede mo na siyang marangkada ng todo. Left hand by Servania. Servania looking for the big punch pero nawawala ang body attack which was so effective in round number 9.
Now he's bleeding from that cut again rather badly.
Alexander Munoz, right uppercut by Munoz.
And now Servania is allowing Munoz to get back
In this fight,
in this round at least.
alam niyo po sa boxing, kahit lahat ng rounds nakuha mo, pero kung nakatama na maganda sa isang round, pwede pa rin magbago. Both take this round.
which nobody really expects.
Round number 11. Right hand mula kay Servania pero kulang sa follow-up. He's trying to take out Munoz with one punch, no? Ayun, nakakaliwa pa si Munoz.
Oh, my good friend Mario Rey. 12th and final round.
They touch gloves. At eto na po ang huling round. Munoz admittedly is trailing sa ating unofficial scorecards.
Yung dalawang knockdown, that makes a big difference.
He needs a knockout to salvage a win. But at this fight, we thought that Servania could have taken him out. He needs
to end.
Sa mga huling bahagi ng kanilang laban ay mapapansing mas nanghihina ang kalabang Venezuelan kumpara kay Servania.
World title fight, you need to demonstrate much more than what he has shown so far, to be honest with you. I like this kid very much. You know, he's got a lot of talent, but medyo kulang.
Munoz, big left. Munoz felt the attack. Big
Now.
left hand.
Now he should go after him. Take a few risks. Go after him perhaps. Pero,
Kanina pa ripe for the kill, for the taking. Itong si Munoz. Nagdadalawang isip lang si Servania, but many feel the crowd cheering him on, feeling that he can take out the...
yeah, totoo naman. Totoo.
Munoz trying to put his punches together.
But it'll be nice if he can end with a flourish. Yun ang importante.
At sa huling segundo ng round 12 ay napuruhan ng kanan itong Venezuelan at bagsak ito.
Pwede na
Now,
sigurin.
pasok, sugod ng sugod yan eh. Kailangan yan.
Munoz is hurt, pero nag-hesitate pa rin si Servania. Big right hand! Big right hand!
Nakaabot pa naman sa bilang mga pre pero wala na. Hilong-hilo na. Kaya diniklarang TKO na ng referee na si Danrix Tapdasan ang laban.
It's over! It's over! Each. Finally caught up with Munoz.
See the end.
Ito po. Ball to the left. Ayun! Tumama ang mabigat na kanan mula kay Servania.
Perfect.
He's been looking for that punch all night long.
And it finally arrived in the final round.
Cracking right hand. And you can see Munoz going down. He was really...
Nadipinsa ni Servania ang titulo at napanatili ang malinis na kartada nito.
fight. Nope.
From the Philippines, Genesis Azuka Servania.
Junior featherweight belt.
The two-time former world champion, Alexander El Explosivo Munoz.
Sa edad na 42 ay active pa rin sa boxing itong si Alexander Munoz mga pre. Huling laban niya ay noong October 12, 2019 kontra sa kanyang kababayan lang din na si Freddy Bilino at nanalo pa siya dito via unanimous decision. Shout out kay Sunny Tumbagahan, John Merchant Abustan, Tugbo Tiyub, KO Boxing Channel, Rexis Skin Lumungsod, BTL TV, Noise Vlog, Orlando Dante. Yan lang muna mga pre. Palike naman ang video kung nagustuhan ninyo ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping permi.